This is a top-down view of a SSD replacement in a 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro. So, first thing we're going to do is turn off the computer. Once it turns off, we'll just open it and using the pentalobe screwdriver, or I guess, and the Torx screwdriver. Yeah, I guess we'll just take it out. Alright, so the laptop's off now. We're just going to close it and flip it around. Make sure you don't lose the screws, because yes, you really need them to keep your laptop together. Give me 1 second. Wow, there's a lot of screws. Fuck. This screw, and I'm assuming this screw as well, are shorter than the rest of them, so keep these separate from the other ones. Here, you can see the difference between the two screws. Actually, it's a very, very small difference, but anyways, there's a smaller screw, and the smaller screw goes under the hinge. So now that we have the back cover open, I guess we can just pry it apart. Alright, just gotta use a little force to get it off. So there's the underside. And now the hard drive, I believe, is held right under here. Yeah. So what we're going to do is very carefully, where's the other, very carefully, there's one screw on the underside of right here that we're going to take out, and that gives us access to the hard drive, which is right under there. So Probably won't be able to see this. There's the screw. And then all you do is pop it out. So there we go. There's the old drive. I'll put it off to the side. And then here is the new drive. Now, I have to get this open somehow. That looks like a angry face. And here is the new drive. Alright, so let's put it in. Yo! Give me 1 sec. No, that's fine. Here, I'm just trying to put this in really quick. Should pop into place. There we go. Give me 30 seconds. Do I even put that in? Anyways, you would screw it back in, and then you put the cover on, and that would be the end of it.